What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about one of the most best looking smartwatch successor in the smartwatch industry. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So in this video, we'll talk about the all-new OPPO Watch 2 series, and the 3 smartwatches have been released by the OPPO on China on 27th of July, and it is a successor to the original OPPO Watch which was being revealed last year in March. And the OPPO Watch 2 series come in the 42mm variant and 46mm variant, and it has also option for eSIM and the LTE connectivity to enable voice calling. Now it's an upgrade towards the last year's OPPO Watch, as it also carries the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4100 SoC, and it claims to give up to 16 days of battery life on this watch. Not only that, the OPPO has also released some of the few other things with this OPPO event, and we'll talk about it later. But first, let's concentrate upon the OPPO Watch 2. The watch is runs on the ColorOS Watch 2.0, which is based on Android, and the 42mm variant comes with a 1.75 inch of an AMOLED display with a resolution of 372 by 430 pixels, whereas the 46mm variant has a 1.91 inch of a large display, and it comes with a resolution of 402 by 476 pixels. Both of these options comes with a 326 ppi pixel density and a 60 Hz of refresh rate and a 3D glass protection on the top. Now, just like the previous year OPPO Watch, it also is a curved smartwatch, and under the hood we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC which we talked, and it was launched last year, and it's an upgrade from the Snapdragon Wear 2500 SoC which was being powered in the original OPPO Watch. Now there is also a custom Apollo 4S co-processor which has been developed by Ambic, and it will enhance the performance for the OPPO Watch, and the watch has a storage and RAM of 1GB of RAM and an 8GB of onboard storage. In terms of preloaded fitness tracking features, the watch has over 100 sports modes built right into the watch and a 24 hours of heart rate tracking, and you also get an SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, and there is also a feature for sleep analysis, snoring risk assessment, and also the stress management in this watch. The watch will run on the Wi-Fi 6 and the Bluetooth 5.0 for the connectivity, and the LTE variants will have a support of a 4G alongside the voice calling capability. The OPPO Watch also has an ultra dynamic dual engine which is also known as UDDE technology, which also claims to helps in extending the battery life of this watch, as there is a 360 milliamp of battery in the 42mm variant of the watch, and it will last 10 days on a single charge. However, the 46mm variant comes with a larger battery capacity with a 510 milliamp of battery, and it can go on a single charge for up to 16 days. There is also VOOC fast charging technology from OPPO, and it will deliver up to 1 hour of usage as low as the 10 minutes of charging. Now the other specifications of both of these smartwatches are the same, but the difference over is also again as the weight, as the 42 variant weighs at 31 grams and the 46mm counterpart weighs as 35 grams. Moreover, the smartwatch is due a water resistance at 5 atm, so you can take this watch for a swim if you wish to. So what do you think about this OPPO Watch? Are you willing to buy this OPPO Watch 2, or are you going to stick with the OPPO Watch? I mentioned the link in the description below about all the watches which you can buy at this particular price point. So you go check that out, and if you find anything useful for yourself, then let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.